Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write and explain step by step how to add the squares of the binomials 2a squared plus 3b squared and 2b squared plus 3a squared. First, I'm going to expand each binomial by applying the formula for binomial square provided on the right-hand side of the screen. When I apply the formula, I get 2a squared in parentheses squared plus 2 times 2a squared multiplied by 3b squared plus 3b squared in parentheses squared plus 2b squared to the power of 2 plus 2 times 2b squared multiplied by 3a squared plus 3a squared to the power of 2. Next, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a product with two factors. This way, I get 2 squared a squared to the power of 2 plus, in the next term, I need to multiply the numerical parts, or I get 2 times 2 times 3 is 12 a squared b squared plus 3 squared b squared to the power of 2 plus 2 squared b squared to the power of 2 plus, again, for this term I need to multiply the numerical parts, so this equals to 2 times 2 times 3, 12 b squared a squared plus 3 squared a squared in parentheses to the power of 2. Next, I need to apply the rule of exponents for power of a power. As a result, I get 4a to the 4th power plus 12a squared b squared plus 9b to the 4th power plus 4b to the 4th power plus 12a squared b squared. I just wrote this term in standard form where the variables are listed in alphabetical order plus 9a to the power of 4. As a last step, I need to add all like terms. Like or similar terms are terms that have the same literal parts. So I can add 4a to the power of 4 and 9a to the power of 4. I can also add 12a squared b squared and 12a squared b squared, and respectively 9b to the 4th power and 4b to the 4th power. This way I get 13a to the 4th power plus 24a squared b squared plus 13b to the 4th power. This polynomial can be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.